Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get iOS 17 for your iPhone. Okay, first things first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General from the menu. In the General menu, you should find Software Update and tap on it. In here, you'll be able to see the option to upgrade to iOS 17 at the bottom of the page. If you have an iPhone newer than the iPhone XS, you'll see this option. However, if you have an older iPhone, there's a big chance that you won't. So to proceed, before everything, check the file size first. So for example, here in my case, it's 3.15 GB. So make sure that you have enough available space on your phone. If you don't, you'll receive a warning. So if you have enough space, press download and install. You'll be then prompted to type in your passcode. Just go through the terms and conditions and press agree once you have read it all. You might need to do this twice. So just repeat the process, and once the installation process will begin, your iPhone will then download and prepare the update. The time this download takes can vary depending on your phone. So after the preparation is complete, you'll get a pop-up. So what you want to do is to just press install. Your iPhone will then verify the update and go through the installation process. And as usual, you'll see a progress bar and the Apple logo while the update is being installed. The duration of this part of the process can vary, just like what I've said earlier. So once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation page. And congrats! Your iPhone is now running iOS 17. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now get iOS 17 for your iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.